Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be giving you a few tips on how to make failure work for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And so what, you failed in your business ventures? And so what, you failed in school? Maybe repeated a class or two or had to drop out from school altogether. And so what, you got sacked at your job and have no other source of livelihood? Just name any bad scenario, and so what? A lot of people give up on themselves after experiencing one setback or the other. Others enter depression and fail to rise up again, especially in a society where you have to fake it until you make it. The world is still moving, right? And so should you after every setback or failure. Your failures or feeling of inadequacies shouldn't be big enough to stop you, but it should be big enough to spur you on. Many of us have heard of Walt Disney's, and a lot of childhood stories are not complete without Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry and other Walt Disney classics. But he wasn't always a success. At the age of 22, his editor, where he worked, told him that he lacked imagination and he didn't have good ideas. Then he went on to start up a cartoon company where he failed. He went back again to the drawing boards and started another company where he lost his rights of content and also his staff to his producer. That did not deter him. Even with the success of Mickey Mouse, he still had some financial issues, and later in about 1955 he went on to diversify and started the Disneyland, and today we all know the success of Disneyland. And he said something very, very profound, and let me read it. He said, "All the adversity I have had in myself, all the trouble and obstacle have strengthened me. You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you." Now let me bring it back home to Nigeria. Jason Njoku of Iroko TV. He graduated from a very prestigious university in America, and he went ahead to start up a magazine company called Brash, and it failed. He also failed in a couple of ventures, and at the same time he left a paying job. The failures he had made him see loopholes in the Nigerian movie industries, and because of the loopholes he saw, he went ahead to create Iroko TV. Iroko TV is one of the first in Africa to mainstream online movies, and he has made a success out of it. So you see, you shouldn't be ashamed of your failures. Your failure stories, along with your success stories, has the ability to spur everybody. It has the ability to inspire people to even achieve the same or more. One of my favorite words this season is experimentation. It is trying out new methods and ideas. There can never be any innovation and breakthrough without experimentation. I see failure as experimentation, and I also see failure as learning. If we look at the story of Walt Disney and also Jason Njoku, we could see that they were able to fail and learn from it and experiment from it to come up with such innovations that has taken the world by storm today. They were able to learn from their mistakes and correct it and build up on something which a lot of us are enjoying today. When you fail, document it. Keep on documenting it and learn from it so that when you succeed, finally, we have a process which is a constant reminder of where you are coming from, and also a process where others can also learn from it. In the journey of living a life of purpose, there would always be failures. The failures are there for you to learn from it, because in it lies your successes. Failure only fails when we lose hope and give up. But failure succeeds when we learn from it and move forward. So what areas have you failed or performed below standards? Evaluate, learn from the mistakes, and apply the learning so that you can move forward and also help others to move forward along with you. So I pray for divine wisdom to enable you learn from your mistakes and move forward, and also to inspire others to move forward too. And remember, I'm here holding hands with you through it all. God bless you. So last week, I indicated for 10 free slots for life coaching, and 5 people turned out. It was amazing, it was mind-blowing, and lives have been transformed. I have 5 more slots remaining, and if you are interested, send me a DM and we'll take it up from there. Thank you.